Hi, I'm Montgomery Township Mayor Sadaf Jaffer, and today I'm joined by our health officer, Stephanie Carey. Stephanie, we've seen new cases rising at about 60 per week, triple what we had in the spring. What's happening in Montgomery?
What we're seeing in Montgomery is unfortunately reflecting what we're seeing across New Jersey and indeed across the country. We have seen a spike of cases, in particular following Thanksgiving. And indeed, every time there's been a major holiday, we've seen a spike in cases after that holiday. But we started from a higher level already throughout November, and then these additional cases are just adding on. At the same time, we're seeing an increase in hospitalizations, and hospitalizations are of a concern because they are the lagging indicator. That is, they come along 2 or 3 weeks after a surge in cases. So if we're already seeing hospitalizations going up and we see this flood of incoming cases, that's a serious and worrisome situation for hospitals in the coming weeks.
What concerns you most about the situation in Montgomery over the next few months?
We know that with the weather, people are turning to be indoors. And with the holiday season, people are eager to see their families. People are tired and they're searching for, that sense of support and normalcy and joy that the holidays bring. And so people are eager to gather at a time when we really can't. And I'm concerned that we have a surge upon a surge and that the healthcare system will be overwhelmed so that people who get the sickest wouldn't be able to get care. And so that's why I'm particularly concerned about the holiday season.
You recently wrote about how you changed your own holiday plans because of the pandemic. What did your family do, and are there lessons for our residents?
Yeah, that's a tough one. We canceled our Thanksgiving travel plans, and we turned to Zoom to be able to be with our family virtually. And don't get me wrong, Zoom isn't a substitute for being able to be with the people you love the most, but it's a necessary sacrifice so that we can hold hope for next year and hold hope for the future and know that we will gather again. For our family's Christmas celebration, we're looking at doing a small Zoom gift exchange and then walking around the neighborhood to look at the lights.
So we're all hopeful that, the research on the vaccines is promising, and hopefully we will have a vaccine for COVID-19 next year. Is there anything that people can do right now to protect their health?
In addition to the masking and social distancing and hand washing that remains critically important, we are also seeing flu season kicking in, and we're seeing cases of flu in our community. So please, if you haven't got a flu shot yet, get your flu shot now. Montgomery Health Department is sponsoring a free flu vaccination clinic on Monday, December 14th from 4 to 7 p.m. at Otto Kaufman Community Center. Appointments are required, and you can get to the link on our website.
Do you have any other closing thoughts for the community?
Let's see. Let me quote a haiku by an unknown author, which is, "We isolate now so that when we gather again, none of us are missing."
Thank you so much, Stephanie, for joining me today, for sharing your thoughts, your perspective, and of course, for the tireless work that you and the entire health department have been doing to keep us all healthy. We all appreciate it, and we are looking forward to a better 2021.
Thank you. Stay safe.